Today we're going to discuss post office Tyvek bellows versus the proper material. I gave this clock to a friend of mine, and I was out at their house, and the bellows broke. So I went to the post office because they live 140 miles from me, and I bought I didn't buy, I picked up the free post office packaging that you can use to repair bellows. And let me get this thing out of the clock so I could show it to you. And I put the bellow paper on, but as you can see, it doesn't work properly. Typical Tyvek material is thin, the stuff that you buy, and so I wrinkled it, I ran it under hot water, and it still doesn't work properly. So I'm going to take this off and put some Tyvek material on that I use, that I purchase through eBay. And when I let go of the top of this, it should fall down, but it's not. So it's time to take it off. Here I have the old paper all cleaned off and ready to put the new paper on, the actual paper. Now you can use post office paper in a pinch, but you have to do a lot of prep work to that post office paper to get it thin. And scalding hot water helps, but I didn't do it with scalding hot water. So anyway, it's time to put new paper on. Once you get a hinge on, you should be able to go like that. That's a good sign that it's going to work properly. And after you replace all the bellow, you should be able to do this. Now it's dropping like it's supposed to. Like I said, you can use a post office paper in a pinch, or you can use it, but you have to thin it out before you can use it. If you want to know how to put a bellow, repair the bellow, I have several videos in my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and find the folder bellow repair. Hope y'all like this video, and God bless.